a get ready with me video. You've been asking for a hair and makeup video for a while, so I wanted to give it to you guys. I hope you guys like this style. This is a bob that I did a couple videos back that I'm going to be donating to one of my dope subscribers and very active subscribers. So I just wanted to switch it up a little bit for her. So I, you know, gave her some bangs, and I'm gonna show you the whole process. You know, I'm showing you the whole process. You feel me? So just stay tuned, kick back, grab your mirror, grab your supplies, all that stuff. Now, I'm not a makeup artist, okay? I'm just throwing that out there. I'm just tossing that one out there. You know what I'm saying? I'm just showing you what I do, okay? I'm just a vessel. That's all I can do. So with that being said, oh, and one more thing, thank you to everybody who showed love to my hubby on his birthday. Y'all are so dope. He was like, oh, your people really do rock with me. They really fool with me. I told you, the Bella Squad is legit. I be trying to tell people that. I just wanted to say thank you. You guys are so sweet, and I love y'all. All right, let's go.